In this video, I'll unbox the MetaQuest 3 Elite strap and I'll also show you how to install it on your headset. So let's get started. So this is how it comes packaged. Over here on the left side, we have a small manual that will teach you everything that you need to know about this Elite strap. And they will also show you how to install it the same way I will just demonstrate now. So this is the strap itself. It comes with this cardboard over here that needs to be removed before starting. So the first step is to snap out the facial interface of your Quest 3. To do this, you just need to take your thumbs and gently unclip from the bottom and then from the top, like that. And then you'll be able to slide it out completely. Next step is to remove the strap that came with your Quest 3. There's two parts. You need to place your thumb on this one, the extremity, and then simply with a small movement like this, simply swivel it out and it will unclip itself. Do the same thing on the other side. So place your thumb here and simply unclip it. Now we need to remove the top strap. It's a Velcro. Like this. Great. Now we can throw this aside. Take your Elite strap, and the first thing we need to turn this circle that is usually on the back of your head towards the left side. This will extend the side straps. So I suggest you do it maybe 6-7 times like this until you feel a resistance and you cannot go anymore towards the left. Now let's attach it to the headset. So over here, we'll start with the right side. Take the right strap. And what we'll do is align the headphone jack. First, like this. Press over here. And then you're going to press the extremity as well. Start pressing this part and then finish it by clipping the end. Let's do it on the other side where the USB Type-C port is. So I align it, I'm pressing, and then I finish by pressing here and it will clip. And we'll finish by attaching the top strap. So it's a Velcro. We'll feed it through the loop here. You need to press and it will come out from the top and then we can simply pull it. Now it's time to put back the facial interface. It's quite easy. You just have to clip it back like this. Over here too. Make sure the nose part is secure. You can even test it out by wiggling it like this, and if nothing comes apart, you're good. Now, how do you wear this strap on your head? So the first step is to place the headset on your head the way it is. Do not touch anything. First thing, adjust the top strap. Make sure that it's aligned with your eyes, obviously, and it's not too high or not too low as well. If it's not perfect, don't worry, you can still adjust it at the end, okay? So we did this, make sure it's secure, and now we're gonna adjust the side strap. And to do so, you'll need to turn the circle on the back of the Elite strap. So start turning it towards the right side since it was completely turned to the left, and automatically you'll feel that these straps are getting tighter and tighter the more you turn. Once you feel it's tight, and even if you wiggle your head, the headset is not swinging around on your face, I think you're good to go. You can also readjust the top strap if you felt that it wasn't tight enough. So this is it. This is how you install and adjust the Elite strap for your Meta Quest 3. By the way, I'll put a link in the description if you want to get one of these from Amazon. If not, just type in the comment section below if this video was helpful, like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.